welcome back to Honey's Food Hill. I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican fried dumplings. We are going to start by bringing 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. My flour has already been sifted. Go in with 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Now mix all of this together to combine beautifully. Go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter is at room temperature. You are going to use your hands to work the butter into the flour. Once your flour is nice and crumbly just like mine, gently add in ½ cup of milk. So I'm going in little by little. Once you add, use one hand to mix this to incorporate the milk into the flour. I'm using milk, you can also use water. Once your dough is properly mixed, just like this, you should end up with a soft dough. You can see it's not sticky and it's not dried at the same time. Next, we are going to wrap the dough with a cling film and let this rest for an hour. You can even leave this overnight. The longer it rests, the better it is. Guys, the dough has been rested for an hour, so you can see it's pretty much soft, which is exactly what you want. So we're just going to dust our work surface with some flour, then place the dough over it. At this point, the dough is pretty much soft, so you may need to sprinkle some flour over because it may be sticky. Now share the dough into 8 equal parts. We are going to work with individual pieces. So start with one, shape it with your hand, and then roll it into a smooth, beautiful ball. Once your dough is well shaped into a smooth ball like this, you can place in a bowl. And then pick another piece, try shaping it with your hand. So all the balls have been shaped into beautiful balls. It's time to fry this. Add enough oil to the pan, just enough to fry all the dumplings you have on hand. You can test the oil by dropping a little piece of the dough into it. If it rises to the top too quickly, it means the oil is too hot. But if it takes a little time before it comes to the surface, it's the normal temperature of the oil. So you can add the rest of the dumplings into the oil and start frying. It's best to fry your dumplings on medium heat. If the oil is too hot, inside of the dumpling won't be cooked, but outside will get cooked before inside. So just make sure your heat is moderate and the oil isn't too hot. You can use a fork or a skewer to just move the dumplings around to prevent them from burning on one side. Once the dumplings are golden brown just like so, you can use a spoon to take them out of the oil and drain on a paper towel. Your crispy fried Jamaican dumplings are out of the oil. Leave them to cool down before serving. Another name for these fried dumplings, Johnny cakes. These are perfect comfort foods that are great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I hope you try them out and let me know in the comment section what you think about these fried dumplings. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so before you leave this platform. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.